What is up, you guys? I'm going to recreate my most viewed video, the how I do Lashify in like 5 minutes, but your girl has like
$5 in her bank account.
So I'm gonna try to do an Amazon dupe version. I've been hearing a lot of good things about these extensions, Easitension eyelash extensions. They're pretty comparable to the Lashify Glossomers, and I have 2 lash glues here that I'm going to substitute for my Whisper Light. Someone who commented on my video recommended Lilac St lash glue. I've never heard of the brand before, but I was hearing good things about it and how it was pretty comparable to Lashify, so got it on Amazon. It took like 2 weeks to get here though, so that was the only caveat, but other than that, I'm really excited to try it. I've never even tried this lash glue before, so let's see if it works. This is the Calailis Long Lasting Glue. So this one has an applicator that's similar to the Whisper Light, has that little lash applicator type thing. I got the 14s and I got the 12s, so I'm going to use the 12s in my inner corner. These lash extensions are super similar to the Gossamer. So these are the 14s. I'm going to apply the Lilac St onto the actual Gossamer. I'm just going to call this the C glue. I'm going to use this C glue right here on my actual lashes. So I'm just going to go for it.
Hey babes, so I didn't want to bore you guys showing you each little Gossamer application, so I'm just going to show you clips of me applying these lashes, and I was honestly out of frame for most of them, so my apologies, but you guys get the point.
You could either wait for that to get tacky, but I'm just going to use a fan. Or you can use a handheld fan, whatever you please, and they're already getting sticky, so
Y'all, I did not include this, but if you have Lashify glass, I recommend applying that to your bottom lashes so that the tackiness of your top lashes don't stick onto your bottom lashes.
And then now I'm going to put just a small amount of the Lilac St on the edge here. Get my tweezers, get a Gossamer. I'm just gonna start from the middle outward. And then if there's too much glue on your Gossamer, I just like wipe the excess off somewhere random. Now these are the 12s, so I'm only gonna use one. Just cause I don't need a lot. Alright y'all, I'm gonna fuse them with my fingers because I can't seem to find tweezers. This kind of feels good. Hey queens, so I wanted to update y'all. It's been 24 hours since I applied these lashes, but I cried so much in these past 24 hours. This end, it came off last night in my sleep because I was crying, and that's expected. But other than that, y'all, I love them so far. I honestly can't tell the difference from this and Lashify. The only setback is that these Easitension lashes or whatever, there's only so many styles you could pick from, so if you want to get all crazy with like the Lashify selection, you're not going to be able to do that. Guys, so this actually ended up lasting me about a week without reapplying. I preferred this over Lashify just because I don't have to spend that much and I don't mind reapplying a few lashes here and there, so that's how they held up. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and until next time, goodbye and God bless.